All right, gang, I am in Metairie area over here in New Orleans, and today I am going to right over here, Russell's Stop Poboys, right over here. Now look, gang, me and Mrs. Dufrene ate here before. I love the roast beef po' boy, so I'm gonna try out the roast beef po' boy. I never did a review for it. Gang, I'm gonna tell you, I got the local flavor app. I paid they're on sale right now. I paid $8 because they had a discount. I paid $8 for $20 of food over here. You gotta get that app, I'm telling you. So we're gonna go inside Russell's Stop Poboys and give it up. Check it out. I'm gonna get the roast beef. I know Mrs. Dufrene is gonna get her normal hamburger with fries, but I'll let y'all know when I get in. I'm gonna go order real fast. So gang, this is what you do when you get over here. When you walk in, you just wait in line over here, and then you go to the counter and you order. You give them your name, you just wait for your food, okay? The prices are really, I didn't want to come show me, but you don't know if you could see. But like, I ordered the King Roast Beef Poboy, a huge roast beef Poboy. Mrs. Dufrene got her burger and a fry, and I got coleslaw for my side. So get your order, give them your name, wait for your name to be called, then you go pay, then you go sit down. So, and that's how it goes. Mrs. Dufrene saving me a spot in the corner. So, now I'll be back with the food in 1 second. All right, gang. I got my food. You know, there was some lady complaining up at the counter saying, "Oh, I don't like this system. This system is good when they first open, but this, you gotta change it." Lady, they ain't gonna change nothing. This is Stop Poboy. They've been in business, since 1966. They ain't changing nothing. Deal with it. You come eat at a good place like Stop Poboy, you're gonna be dealing with it. That's how it is. I got my food super fast. Was it that fast, Mrs. Dufrene? How's your burger?
Good.
All right, gang, I want to show you something. Watch at this. Look at this. Can't even get it in one shot. Look at that roast beef po' boy. Oh my goodness. And Mrs. Dufrene got her burger. She already finished almost of that. And Mrs. Dufrene said the fries were cold, but she complains like that lady did at the counter. So, and I got my coleslaw. I probably even didn't need no side. Mrs. Dufrene was being, saying, "You're gonna eat all that?" And she said, "That's enough for 3 people." And guess how much this king-size roast beef cost me? $11.95. Oh my God. The total for me, Mrs. Dufrene, we got fries. We're drinking water with the side of coleslaw. $22. I had that local app for $20 of food. I paid $8 for it because they had a sale that one day. So be looking for that on that local app. So gang, I'm gonna hit this roast beef and let you know what I think. Now, I've had it before, so unless they really messed up, I know it's gonna be good. Now this is gonna get messy, so watch out, gang. This is the kind of roast beef I love. It's not too sloppy. That like we have a place called what's the name of it? Harry's. Just can't even hold it. It's just too sloppy. It's a mess. Mrs. Dufrene loves it, but it's really a mess. I don't like it. People rave about it. I'm not the biggest fan, but this right here is my style of po' boy. Right over here. I mean, they've been in business since 1966. They got to be doing something right. It's always packed in here. Stop Poboy. This roast beef is off the hook. This roast beef gets an A plus on the Be the Man scale that we don't use no more. One of my favorite roast beefs. 5 crabber for sure. Mrs. Dufrene, how's your burger? Above average?
It's good.
It's good. She'll give me a grade later. Let me, excuse me. I should have talked with my mouth full. Maybe she'll let me have a taste. And I'll give you a good review. I'll tell you the truth on it. Because I did just eat at the best burger place in America. So I know how to compare it. Now look, gang, the people that take your order are super nice. The woman who checked me out, super nice. Gave them a tip. It has roasted employees, it says right there on the side. So I gave them a tip, and they were very appreciative of the tip. So very nice people. And they got some good workers over here. So let me try my coleslaw. I mean, coleslaw's average. I need some salt in there, but I mean, I'm not here for the coleslaw. That was just an afterthought. In fact, I was about not even to get a side, but let me try one of these fries. They're shoestring kind of fries, kind of small fries. They were on the hotter side, I'll admit that. Still has a good taste, though. Mrs. Dufrene, you want to cut me a little piece of that burger? Mrs. Dufrene's going to cut me a piece of that burger while I take another bite of this excellent roast beef. She cut me a generous portion of that hamburger. Very generous of her. All right. Gang, earlier this week I had the best burger in America that ended up being horrible. Not good with all that sauce. This is how it should be. A little mayo, pickle, lettuce, tomato. Let's give it a shot. It's a good little burger, huh? I like it. That is definitely better than the supposed best burger in America in Tupelo. I mean, it's your normal Poboy shop type of burger. It's good. Give that a B. Give that a B. And 4 crabs. B on the Be the Man scale that we don't use no more. And a 4 crab. All right, gang. I got another whole half of roast beef to eat over here. I'm going to check in with you in a little bit, see if I could finish it. Or is Mrs. Dufrene right? I won't be able to finish it. Let's find out. I'll be right back. All right, gang, I'm back. Mrs. Dufrene said, "You're going to eat that all?" Well, did I? Let's take a look and see. Let me reverse this. Oh, yeah. Now you see these pickles? I'm saving that for dessert. I'm going to eat that right after I get off the camera. Look at this. All gone. All gone. But you know why? You know it's a good po' boy? Look how many napkins I used when I was eating it. Look at that pile of napkins because it was so messy. And that makes a good po' boy right there. Look at that. Gang, don't mess with the hamburger over here or nothing else like that. Maybe get you a po' boy. Mrs. Dufrene always gets her something on a bun. You have to get a po' boy over here. Gang, that roast beef po' boy was the bomb. Mrs. Dufrene better get ready because I have another coupon that we're going to use another day to come over here. So let me have my dessert, my 2 pickles. Those pickles are good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm gonna give you my, now look, I didn't finish my slaw. I should have not ordered a side. Shame on me. But I finished all that po' boy. That was a king size. Oh, that was huge. And let me give my final thoughts outside, okay? All right, gang, I'm walking out. Now look, Stop Poboy. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, you come into a po' boy shop, okay? You're not coming into no 5-star fancy restaurant that claims to serve the best burger in America. You're coming to a po' boy shop. And let me tell you, and look how busy they are over here. But don't let that discourage you. I mean, the parking lot's full, people coming in and out. But don't let that discourage you if you do come over here, because just look it up, Russell's Stop Poboy. Don't let this discourage you, because whenever you go in, the ordering process is real easy. They get your order fast, they serve you fast. There was plenty of seating inside, even though there's a lot of traffic coming in and out. Okay? But my roast beef was an A+ 5 crabs. I love the roast beef over here. Mrs. Dufrene, I found her burger to be about a B. Much better than that best burger in America that I ate at Tupelo. But, I mean, it's a burger. A little po' boy shop burger, and it was good. Mrs. Dufrene likes her food piping hot. I mean, so hot that it'll burn her mouth. But, look, gang, again, get the local flavor app. I think it's called Clip now, CLIPP, and get it, because like I said, you can get $10 of food for $20 over here right now. And if you find a day that sometimes they have 20% off coupon code, I got $20 of food for $8. So it cost me like $25. I already paid for it, so that's $8. Gave that's $25 with the tip. So I paid $8. The food was $20. I got $20 of free food. I paid $13 for all that food. Unbelievable. I paid $13 for all that food. Mrs. Dufrene just got in because there was a car on the side of us that she couldn't get in. So I better turn on the engine for her. The queen needs her air conditioning, okay? So, isn't that right, queen? Mrs. Dufrene, I know you don't care for the place too much for whatever reason, but you gotta admit that was a big roast beef po' boy, huh?
Yeah, but was it good?
Oh, it was did I just say it was an A+? It was one of the best it's the best roast. I'm gonna tell you right now. I ate a lot of roast beefs. This is one of my favorite roast beefs of all time. I love it. So that gets an A+. I love what I love. It gets an A+ on the Be The Man scale. 5 crabs. The whole experience is super, especially for the price you pay. That's a good price. You gotta admit that. But she won't admit nothing because her fries didn't burn her mouth. But anyway, gang, till next time, this is Harold Dufrene with After Show Chat. Check it out. Russell's Stop Poboys.